In cleanroom and controlled environments, hygiene is not just a preference, it's an unwavering commitment to safety and well-being. A commitment perfectly understood by HID. Introducing a new extension of the OMNIKEY 5022 Contactless Smart Card Reader family. The perfect match for sensitive environments which require the use of cleaning and disinfecting solvents. With an impressive IP67 rating, this new reader version shields against dust, water, and disinfectants. And thanks to its beveled housing, this hygiene-optimized module can be effortlessly cleaned. Compact in form yet expansive in capabilities, this smart reader delivers enhanced security through contactless access for quick and secure authentication, while its cutting-edge technology makes it compatible with existing cards and devices. Cleanroom security, authentication, and convenience. Hallmarks of HID's OMNIKEY 5022 new variant for sensitive environments and clean rooms. Your gateway to a safer, smarter, and more efficient tomorrow.